Back to today's video. We are just chilling on the floor again for a super fun IPSY unboxing. This is the August box. I have a lot of stuff here to unbox. It is my birthday month, which is so exciting. I love August. It's like just the depths of summer that we're in right now. I love every moment of it. I want it to be August forever. I like seeing unboxings, affordable beauty hauls. Shop with me's. Subscribe to my channel, turn on that little bell, and you'll get notified when I upload. I noticed a lot of people watch my content aren't subscribed. It means so much to me and it helps out my channel. And let's get on into this August IPSY unboxing. Looks like I have 3 things here to unbox. So here's one box. Then we have the little sample bag, which is always fun. And then we have this larger box. So what should we start with? I guess we'll start with the small box first and then work our way. Today I'm going full savage with this box and not getting my box cutter. It worked out just fine. Okay, first up, here we go. I don't look, I just dip my hand in. First up, we have Murad. This is the Essential C Toner. This is their vitamin C toner. It has vitamins A, C, and E to energize and remove impurities. Love this. I will definitely be using this in my morning routine. I do all the vitamin C in the morning and I feel like it definitely has helped make my skin brighter, more glowy. I am full on vitamin C lover. Okay, next. Ooh, this is Dew of the Gods. This is becoming one of those brands that I always get in beauty subscription boxes. This is their Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I love getting scrubs in boxes because I actually use them. I love using scrubs in the shower. I use them all the time to get off my self tanner and do like my elbows, my knees and stuff. So I am a big fan of body scrubs just because it's something I like always go through. This has coconut enzymes, sea salt exfoliation, and luxurious cucumber fruit and natural antioxidant. It helps reduce sagging skin and cellulite. Definitely gonna be using that next time I'm in the shower. Then we have liquid lip balm. This is by the brand Estate. Let's open this up. I never heard of this brand before. Saying what color is this? It like doesn't show. Oh, there it is. Doesn't really have a scent. Cruelty free liquid lip balm. Most wanted. Okay. Looks interesting. I will have to try that out. Next up, we have Anastasia. This is the Stick Blush in Pink Dahlia. It's always exciting getting Anastasia in a box. I mean, I've been loving their contour that I got in my last box. Ooh, she is a pretty color. How do I get her to twist up though? She's kind of stuck. The color. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. It twists up from here. Right? Yeah. I actually need to put on a blush. I did not put one on yet, so I'm going to be putting this one on. That's very exciting. Last product. Berries. Oh, Violet Voss. Berries and Cream Dreams. I actually really like Violet Voss's eyeshadows. I've been using their eyeshadows for feels like a long time. The owner of it, Purse Buzz, she's like one of the first people I started following on YouTube. Oh, this is pretty. I really like this. Look at these colors. Very berry. Look at this one. Berry champagne. Okay, that's fun. Okay, that was actually a really good box. I liked everything that we got. To the Big Mac Daddy. Should we be savage again? Yeah, we're gonna be savage. This is, oh my gosh, I've never tried anything from this brand. SL Miss Glam. I always saw her on like Instagram. Her pictures are always like really pretty and cute. This is a trio sponge set. Pro blending sponges that are perfect to evenly blend cream and liquid. Miss Glam Beauty. Okay, cool. I'm excited to try that. Next, ooh, you guys, I am so excited. This is Amika The Cure. I've been wanting to try something from Amika. This is the Multitask Repair Treatment. Restore hair from the breaking point with this repair treatment for stronger hair that has bounce, body, and the ability to hold a style curl. It's packed with a bond cure technology and vegan protein, strengthens hair, reinforces the cuticle. After conditioner, you leave it on for a minute and rinse damp hair and use it as a leave-in. Okay, I don't really have damaged hair anymore, thank God. After years of restoring my hair after I bleached the crap out of it, I am proud to say my hair is very healthy, so I probably would just do this in the shower for like a minute. That's really cool. Excited to try Amika. Then we have NUZZOLO Beauty. This is the Skyliner Duo Automatic Gel eyeliner set. I feel like, oh, this is jet black and tan line. I like just got a bunch of eyeliners in the mail from Essence, so I probably am gonna hold on to this for a giveaway. I don't want it to waste, but I do really like NUZZOLO Beauty. Next we have the Toy Factory. It's cool packaging. Sunset Squalane Powder Blush with 4, whoop, dropped it, with 4 high payoff shades. What is this brand though? Your serum and blush are now one. Squalane is youthful and radiant. The Sunset palette pairs the luxury of squalane powder with a summery golden color story. Okay, this is like, I do want to open this, actually look at this, because it kind of sounds interesting with like the infused situation. Oh shoot, I forgot to take a pretty thumbnail before I destroyed all those boxes. I wasn't really thinking of that. I'm on the struggle bus right now. Ooh, okay. That's, ooh, they're very soft. Oh, okay. So there's the colors, and I just did some very light swatches. I mean, yeah, they feel really soft. Cool. I'm excited to try out these toy blushes. Next, we have Magic Serum. I don't know who this, Joanna Vargas? I have never heard of that before. Joanna Vargas Skincare, made in Germany. Okay. A nourishing and smoothing serum that harmonizes and strengthens, supports skin's radiance. This has glycerin, shea butter, it has sweet almond oil, walnut leaf extract, very nice, sunflower seed oil. Lots of good stuff in here. Apply to cleanse skin AM and PM, ideal for all skin types. Cool. I'm excited for this. I am such a skincare junkie. I love trying out like new serums and stuff. So next we have Snow Stop. Wait. Oh my gosh. Huda Beauty, you guys. This is the legit lashes. Okay, I literally saw a girl talking about this. I think it was this mascara on TikTok today, and her lashes looked absolutely insane. Like, they looked fake. Gosh, it says you deserve the best lashes, and we solemnly swear to give you major volume, provide dramatic curl, and insane length. 2 mascaras in one. The color is called Very Vanta Extreme Black. Okay, so like, what is the deal with that? I'm so excited for this. I can't believe this was in here. Okay, it's double-sided. This is the volume side. Okay, this is a rubber bristle wand. And then this side is to curl and length. So I'm assuming you can use them together, separate, however you wish. Wow, yeah, this is really cool. The picture on the back of Huda's lashes, they said that's no editing, it's her real lashes. Huh, this one has fibers, curl and length, gripping waxes, and 5mm length fibers for an instant lash extension effect. Yeah, so this is also rubber bristle, except this one's like thinner bristles. It's like kind of scooped. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, good stuff, you guys, really good stuff. Next, stop. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. Lawless, I love Lawless. The Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Oh my gosh, in the shade Rosy Owlick. I love this. I actually have a mini of this in my gym bag, and I love it. And I just think I ran out of it. I used the whole mini. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy. This is the full size. It's not even the mini. I love this color. I can't put it on now because I have a lip oil on. Whoop. But it's literally, oh, it smells so good. It's like a clear, and it's not like that annoying plumping where your lips are like burning on fire. It's just like makes your lips look so good, especially if you just put on some lip liner. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so far thrilled. And then this is the last item. Ooh, okay, this is cool. This is from Aloe, and I thought they just did like activewear, but I guess now they have products. This is the Amla Powered Clean Beauty Magnesium Reset Spray. I love magnesium. It says magnesia, amla, arnica, and valerian. It's an aromatherapy soothing mist for body and mind. Amla superberries have been used for millennia in Indian Ayurvedic healing and beauty. Dr. Gurunanda, who I work with, he just came out with a tablet that has amla in it. It's often called a miracle fruit. Amla is nature's richest source of vitamin C and antioxidants. 3 pumps dispenses 45 milligrams of magnesium, which is great before bedtime, amla, and soothing aromatherapy oils. Spray onto skin and massage in, focusing on areas of tension or fatigue. So yeah, this is definitely like something you can use before bed. It has no mineral oils, vegan, clean, cruelty-free, made in California. That is awesome. I'm excited to use that. We're rocking and rolling, you guys. And on to the last one, we have the sample bag, which I always love this. They're a cute bag. These are great to reuse or give to friends. We have Give Them Lala Mini Mascara. I actually have the full size of this. She's from that show Vanderpump Rules. Oh my gosh, a mini of the new Benefit Fan Fest mascara. I have the full size. They sent it to me. I have to try it still. This is the Korres Poreless Skin Cream with salicylic acid. Really fun samples. And then, oh, we have 2 more things. This Memoir Vanilla, oh, stop it. Vanilla Frosting. Are you kidding me? Body lotion with creamy vanilla orange flower and sweet cashmere. You know we gotta open this up right now because I have to smell this. Just as delicious as they're making it sound. Okay. It's not quite giving vanilla frosting, you guys. What does this smell like? Just like not mixing well with my body chemistry. It smells like vanilla frosting to me. I don't like it, but good try. And then we have this little, I don't want to take it out, but it's this little like eyeshadow. I'm gonna give this to a friend. Well, my husband's coworker is getting married this weekend and she needs some makeup to do her own makeup, so maybe she can use this little palette, and I'm of course gonna give her some other stuff as well. That was awesome. I feel like we got such good stuff. I can't wait to use all of this, and I am thrilled with what we got in the boxes. I think I'm most excited about the Lawless Rosy Outlook Forget the Filler and the Huda Beauty mascara, and the Anastasia Stick Blush in Pink Dahlia. So yeah, this was awesome. Definitely, like, I would say 9 out of 10 for all these boxes. So if you guys want to sign up for IPSY, I should have a link in my description box where you can check it out. IPSY and Boxycharm like combined into one. So I hope you guys loved this. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to IPSY for sending me this box so I could open it and review it with you guys. And that is it. I will see you in my next one. Bye!